Why do so many solar panels fail in Australia? It's a question that many are searching an answer for. Sumec Phono Solar's latest innovation is the diamond dual glass solar panel. It's the result of all our extensive experience making panels for Australian conditions. Some solar panels use low-grade plastic backsheets, which can fail under harsh conditions because moisture can seep in and damage cells. This reduces your performance and savings. The Phono Diamond Dual Glass replaces the plastic backsheet with a second layer of toughened glass. This allows zero vapor penetration, even in Australia's harshest climates. This is why the Diamond Dual Glass is a cut above the rest. It's built tough, so it can be installed on the coastline, in the desert, and in our tropics. We're so confident, we provide a 20-year product warranty and a 30-year performance warranty, giving you 20% more warranted power and security in your investment. A longer-lasting panel is the better choice for the environment. This panel also features BiFacial technology, meaning power can be absorbed from both sides of the panel. In optimal install conditions like tilt frames, up to 25% more power yield can be gained. Sumec Phono Solar are the renewable energy division of global Fortune 500 Sinomac and Sumec Group, proud innovators of Diamond Dual Glass. Diamond Dual Glass. The difference is clear. The engineer's choice solar panel brand, offered through a network of premium installers throughout Australia.